If you want to assign a Flipgrid assignment to your students, go to flipgrid.com and click Educator Login. Then choose the Google Login option. You can see that I've got a few that I've assigned previously. The assignments are called topics. So if you want to create a new assignment, you have to add a topic. You put in a title for your topic, a prompt for your topic. You can limit the student's recording time, and then you can control how the students are going to access it. You're going to want to go ahead and leave this there. And this one's good because it allows them to join with their Valley View Gmail account, and then click Create Topic. Then you can go ahead and share it to a Google Classroom. You will choose a class and then choose what you want to do, and then click Go, and then proceed to make an assignment like usual, and then click Assign. You can then go into Google Classroom to look at this assignment. Now I will go ahead and show you what it looks like from the student side. This is the student view for Google Classroom and how a student would see a Flipgrid assignment that you've assigned using Google Classroom. I'm going to click on Lunch Reflection and then open the Flipgrid link. I'm going to join with Google. Students will have to verify the account. You can see that no responses are available so far, but the student can now record a response. They may have to allow the use of the microphone and camera. And they'll click this button when they're ready to go. I haven't had any lunch yet, so I'm really hungry. I'm eagerly looking forward to my first day of school lunch. You'll hit pause and next. I haven't had any lunch yet, so I'm really hungry. Students will click next again. They will have the option of adding a selfie. So now that they have finished their video and they've gotten their selfie, they can click submit and then complete. And I will jump out of here and back into the teacher side and show you what it looks like from there. So we put the assignment out in Google Classroom, and then we saw what it looked like from the student side. Now we're back in on the teacher side to see what it looks like once a student has turned something in. We'll look at it from Google Classroom and click on this link, and it takes you into the topic view for your teacher dashboard on Flipgrid. And you can see that there is a video from a student, and if there were multiple videos, there would be multiple little cubes like this. And students can also, if you put the settings in this way, view and comment, or at least view the videos from other students.